Okay, everyone, welcome back to Spider-Man. Will it crash?
Should get to Oscorp and see if I can find anything on Michaels.
Let's do some quests, actually. Before we move to this main, Will it crash? Let's see. Nope. Good. Usually it crashes.
It's all good, Spidey. Don't worry about it.
So far, so good. What am I doing?
All units advised, kidnapping reported. Incident is active near Carnegie Hall.
Police reports show a rash of break-ins recently. The victim of one of them is here with us now. What happened, ma'am?
Well, my business was broken into. A flower shop. Who breaks into a flower shop? I was cleaned out. I couldn't believe it. I thought the area was safe. I see Spider-Man around all the time.
My dear, you've learned the hard way the sad truth about Spider-Man. He only cares about the glory. Something as, forgive me, prosaic as a break-in and robbery is beneath his notice. Do not rely on him to keep your property safe. The only thing he truly values is his own massive ego.
What? Wrong way.
It's crazy. I mean, they bombed City Hall, right? Where's there more security than that?
What?
Exactly what I'm saying. If it's not safe there...
My suit's onboard AI can tell me the most likely area where the victim is. Hold on, I'll get you out.
They thought I knew where Fisk hid his money, but I'm just a bank teller.
Oh no, they're back!
That guy earned.
Great job, Spider-Man. You hit him right where it hurts. You know. I don't appreciate that. Brain concussion. Let's see what we can do here. Take down.
Check it out.
Get over here. In the air. What you doing? Watch your head.
Knockout.
Glad I stopped that. Could have gotten ugly fast.
Hey, Spider-Man! You should check this out!
Doing a little nighttime bird watching?
Well, I was watching for nocturnal raptors in the park when I noticed a bunch of men armed with rifles over at Belvedere Castle.
Thanks for the heads up, Miss,
Stephanie, let me know if I can help. I'll keep an eye on the activities from up here.
Thanks for the assist, Stephanie. Why would armed men be at Belvedere Castle? Got a hunch they're not tourists.
Useless.
Fisk's men. This isn't good.
What are you talking about? They're easy to take down. See? Snipe shot.
Hell is this stuff made of?
Feed him, kill him.
Spider-Man's around. This is gonna hit him, buddy.
You need some downtime.
Damn it! Had to be, damn it! He must... Man, where'd he go? It's him!
Easy.
That's all of them. Let's find out what they were up to. Not sure what's going on here. Wonder if there's any info I can get from this flash drive. Awesome. Stephanie, a bird just stole a flash drive full of evidence. Maybe a pigeon. Is that normal?
It is nesting season, so I'm not surprised. You know, I think there's a nest in the trees just southeast of the castle.
Great. I'll check it out. You've got buddies. Great. Come back with that flash drive, you dirty sky rats!
Try positive reinforcement. You know, pigeons are actually remarkably intelligent.
Remarkably intelligent, huh?
Yeah, they're actually surprisingly intelligent.
Got one. But he doesn't have the drive. Fuck this. This is it. I've got the drive. Back to the laptop to see what Fisk's men were up to.
Hi guys, remember me?
Looks like they were uploading a worm to the Central Park Wi-Fi system. This could give them backdoor access to a ton of personal data. Come to think of it, even I use this network. Wait, it's still uploading remotely. There must be multiple access points. Stephanie, you're my eyes in the sky. See anything else strange in the park?
I see a pair of horned owls and... Oh, more guys at a nearby junction box.
Thanks. Keep a lookout for anything else. I need to get to that junction box before the upload completes. If they can't access the laptop, they can't upload.
Get back down here!
Why don't you get up here?
Look out! I'm in an ass-kicking mood!
Me too. Goodbye. Oh, that's speaking of goodbye.
Oh, okay. This is almost as exciting as the time I saw 3 chestnut-sided warblers. Hey, I just noticed 2 other junction boxes being hit. Sending you the location.
Thanks for the heads up. I better get moving. 2 more? I never thought I'd say this. Why does Central Park need such strong Wi-Fi coverage? I thought people came here to get away.
He needed to swim, and he ran out of web fluids briefly. That's why that happened.
There they are. Need to keep them away from that box.
You really messed up with him! Not a chance in hell, buddy!
What?
Get him!
Sweet! Only 1 more to go.
Great patrolling, but I do have notes.
Smoke him! That's a cheap trick! Hey, now you're toast! We'll take you alive or dead. This doesn't care.
Good. Balls in your face. Balls in your face. That was a lucky shot for you.
I'll shut your mouth.
Propelled.
This'll wrap things up.
Return to sender. Oh, wait. They're all knocked out. Except for you, of course. Zap. Smack. And knockout.
There. The people of Manhattan can rest easy knowing that their passwords and cat videos are safe.
Spider-Man? I think they might have seen me.
Oh no. Are you sure?
Pretty sure. Armed men just arrived.
Lock the roof entrance and hold tight. I'm on my way. Need to get to Stephanie before Fisk's men do. She wouldn't be involved if it weren't for me.
They're trying to break down the door.
We know you're working with the spider. Open up!
Nearly there.
Split up and find the girl with the binoculars. Who's there? Spider-Man!
Your mom.
Then toss the girl over the edge. Mr. Fisk says whoa! This'll wrap things up.
Turn to sender.
On your head! Lift up Jerry! You shouldn't have messed with the Kingpin.
You shouldn't have messed with him.
Already. Spread out!
Well, me.
Don't even think about doing that to me!
Whatever.
Look out! I'll shut your mouth permanent!
No, you won't.
That's all of them. Should check on Stephanie.
I nailed it.
Oh, thank you, Spider-Man. That was a little more exciting than my average night of birding.
Hey, thank you. Your eagle eye stopped an incarcerated crime boss from harvesting half the city's personal data.
Not too shabby, huh? Plus, I found a nest of red-breasted nuthatches when you triple-kicked that guy in the face. Real beauties, too. You want to check them out?
Thanks, but I think I'll focus on jailbirds for now.
Alright. That was easy. I'm gonna have to end the video here since, you know, that was one quest, but I'll be back. In the meantime, just take care. If you liked the video, think about leaving a like, comment, or even subscribing, as that does help the channel. But since it's only 12 minutes and 46 seconds, I don't really care if you do or don't. Either way, thanks for watching. Take care. Peace out.